Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Uminista bafethu uGayton McKenzie sekakhiphe imali noma ama-bonuses for ama-national team enza kahle kakhulu a-represent i-South Africa internationally. Ukhiphe nezinye iy'mali for amanye ama-sport athletic. Bafana Bafana-ke ithola 5 million rands uqualify kwayo for i-World Cup. Banyana Banyana ithola 1 million for uqualify for i-AFCON le yabafazi. Proteas Women sibonile ukuthi bayishaye laphana ku-final ithola 1 million rands. Springbok Women 1 million. Amajita aye laphana ku-World Cup abafana bathola nabo 1 million rands. Namajimbosi I think laba bama-under 17 manje abaku-World Cup nabo bathola 500,000. Yiyo-ke imali ekhishwa uminister-ke lena bafethu namhlanje manje nje. But what I wanna understand ukuthi le mali le izoya direct kuma-player, cause banga-announce abantu bazoyifaka direct kuma-player but-ke only to get ukuthi imali yonke iya ku-SAFA. Especially le iBafana Bafana, iBanyana, amajita namajimbosi. Mawuyibheka le mali 7.5 million rands ezoya ku-SAFA. I-SAFA-ke maybe ezodistribute imali or izoya straight to bank kuBafana Bafana, then bazodecide kanjani ukuthi obani abadeserve imali namabonus. So konke kulele ku-SAFA-ke siyayazi ukuthi i-SAFA injani. Hayi, angifuni nokuyikhuluma indaba ye-SAFA, but yeah, this shows ukuthi kunama-rewards if like you do well as a national team yase-South Africa. Kusho ukuthi abafana kumele baqhubeke badlale ngokuzimisela to the highest level, babe bazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi they will be rewarded by uminister noma i-government yase-South Africa. By the way, lento le siyazi ukuthi abaningi mhlawumbe abantu bazomangala bayaqala ukuyibona njalo iyenzeka-ke bafethu ukuthi u-government kumele akhiphe imali for ama-sport stars. For example, ukuthi okunye abayi-publicize kanje kakhulu. Mawubheka nje ama-Olympics, for every gold i-government ukhipha something, uyabanika abantu ukuthi bakwazile ukumela i-South Africa overseas kuma-Olympics nezinto ezinjalo. Qualify for World Cup bekumele vele bathole something nama-bonuses. Even laba abaselekthwe for i-World Cup kunama-bonuses just nje ukuthi baya ku-World Cup. So sobona ukuthi leyo mali leyo izokhishwa kanjani. But iBafana Bafana njalo ihlezi covered, to be honest. iBafana Bafana abastruggle-ayo olokhu njani. Banyana labo bayastruggle ngemali bafethu. Hayi bayastruggle. Ngizwa kuthiwa banoholo 4,000 laphana kuBanyana. Sometimes nalowo 4,000 ababaniki nokubanika ama-match day bonuses abayitholi leyo mali. Siyembe ukuthi le million rands leli likhishwe uminister lizogcina lifikile ezandleni zeBanyana nanokuthi bazothola omalini. Noma kuthiwa bathola 25,000 enye imali igwinye ilokhu njani i-SAFA, it's okay. Bese bawu-20 or bawu-20 something bawashaye nje ngobu-25,000 akufani. Yeah, Bafana Bafana-ke on 5 million rands imali eningi kakhulu. I think bathola imali eningi eziBafana Bafana because of the magnitude of men's FIFA World Cup. Into enkulu kakhulu, is the biggest sport in the world. So it makes sense ukuthi bathole imali eningi because they generate more money for the country and the buzz if benza kahle kakhulu lapha nebholeni. But yeah, it's part of the game ukuthola lama-rewards lawa. Baqhubeke njalo ominister. Ngiyazi ukuthi uminister Gayton McKenzie ukwatisa abantu abaningi kakhulu because of uthanda i-attention. I think he makes izinto about yena. I mean manje, just manje, Gayton McKenzie, hayi ngeke bafethu. Bekathi ubhalele iFIFA incwadi. iBafana Bafana, imagine iqualifyile for i-World Cup but still usabhalela iFIFA incwadi ukuthi ufuna uku-investigate ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngendaba yama-yellow cards ku-SAFA. I mean kube ukhuluma ne-SAFA direct bafethu, bamtshela ukuthi kwenzakale this 1 2 3, ubani bekumele ahandle lezi zinto lezi. I mean into abangayikhuluma noma base-stadium, it's not like ukuthi uya-interfere because uhlezi ekhona lapha ne-stadium. Yini into emhlulayo nje, nathola ama-answers through ama-dialogues nama-conversation nje simple, not like ukuthi uya-interfere. It's always lapha e-stadium. Uminister o-attend i-stadium kakhulu, energy yakho uyithatha yonke uya lapha ne-stadium. So I mean into directly bekumele ayilokhu njani ayikhave yena as uminister eceleni, not like usekubhalela oFIFA ufuna i-attention. Izinto ey'ningi zingasolveka simple but bayazi-complicate. And I mean throwing imali kanje njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ayiqali manje lento ukwenzeka bafethu ukuthi uminister vele imali kune-budget ye-sports yase-countryni yase-South Africa okumele vele ekugcineni ifike kuma-national teams. It's not like into entsha, just-ke owamanje uGayton Mackenzie uyothatha i-spotlight sonke in terms of like i-distribution of imali, is at the forefront ukuthi khishwa imali for oBafana Bafana, oBanyana Banyana, siyazi ukuthi bayastruggle ukuthola leyo mali. And okay, uGayton Mackenzie, what we can appreciate or ama-positives ukuthi yena uyawafuna ama-answer and uyangenelela ngempela ey'ndabeni ey'ningi. Kufana ama-national team bewanokustruggle in terms of imali, but-ke you will come in and azame ukuthi asize la asiza khona ukuthi abantu bahambe baye even international. I think inini netball le beyistruggle ngemali, and then he stepped in ukumake sure ukuthi netball iyatravela, because at the end of the day imali njengoba bengishilo bafethu imali ka-government siyazi ukuthi abanye abaningi bayayikhwabanisa, but uGayton Mackenzie uyazama ukuba transparent kwezinye izinto. So I think ilo department leyo kumele simshayele izandla sisho ukuthi okay uyazama ukuzilwisa izinto ey'ningi noma kuthola ukuthi kunzima, but-ke azilwise izinto zakhona, azilwise ukuthi zigcine zenzekile zibe right, zisolvekile. I mean for the benefit of ama-national teams, ukuthi nje abadlali babe right abadlali, nama-players abadlali whether ama-player noma ngithi abadlali babe right, and everyone who is involved ebholeni nje babe right abafana. Whether a women's national team, which is netball le beyistruggle i-broke, stepped in. So uyazama ukuba involved, siyazi ukuthi uyayithanda attention, but khona ama-positives from iside lakhe, to be fair, hhayi ukuthi ama-negatives kuphela. So ebholeni into ebaluleke kakhulu or ku-sport in general bafethu imali, nothing is bigger and greater than imali. Imali power kuzo zonke le-sport lezi. So makunganamali and then i-sports asikwazi uku-operate, to be honest. So i-sports sase-South Africa siyawudinga uhulumeni noma ngithi u-government ukuthi abaxhase kakhulu. Manje what we hearing right now ukuthi i-SAFA i-broke. Hayi South Africa i-SAFA i-broke ayinamali. So njengoba i-broke kanje i-SAFA, i-government at some point kumele ustepe in uzosiza kulawo uGayton Mackenzie abangena khona. But uGayton Mackenzie akumelanga eSouth Africa just abheke i-sport nje kuphela, kumele abheke nama-arts, because uminister ohandlela even nama-art side. So kumele abheke nje everything, akwazi ukusiza everyone who is involved. It's not just nje ukuthi le sport lesi abantu internationally, it can even help locally because banayo lo access leyo yemali kahulumeni vele abayibeke eceleni ukuthi isize ama-national team or isize i-sport sase-South Africa ukuthi sidevelop. Akusiyo yakhe le mali le, ikahulumeni beyihlezi ikhona le mali, just nje ukuthi for some time i-access yaleyo mali leyo yiyo inkinga. Hhayi ngoba South Africa hlezi kunezinto ezibhlokhayo ukuthi iy'mali zingaphumi. Yeah man, just that but yeah, it's a good thing what we are seeing from uGayton, into ayenzele laphana iBafana. And I think what I appreciate more, I mean, transparency from yena bafowethu, transparency ukuthi vele akhulume kuma-public platforms, hhayi ukuthi into ikhishwe ngamakhona. Wonke umuntu azi ukuthi okay ikhona imali ephumayo for ama-national teams, and then this is the amount ephumile. Hhayi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga abanye bathi thina zange sithole lutho. No, I like that the transparency is there, and wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi okay osibani bani bathole le mali le, osibani bani bathole le, and then kuyabonakala they can even if they have to track back, kuyashiwo ukuthi okay imali eso yaya kuBafana Bafana, imali eso yaya kuphi kuphi. So into e-right kakhulu ukuthi i-transparency kuyo yonke lento lesiyibona. That's a good thing about him. I-distribution of imali siyayibona with bit of i-transparency. Yeah, aqhubeke njalo uGayton Mackenzie, ayithande i-attention, But eh, aqhubeke abe transparent in terms of like the distribution of imali yase-South Africa esebholeni. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.